Hello everybody! For today's video, let me do a quick story time while you are watching us having our dinner. I was reading some of the comments and a lot of you were telling me to just stay in the village or stay longer. But the answer is that as much as I would like to, there are things that will not work. Or if it does, the other way around is not that easy. For example, if I need to upload something on my social media, that means we will need to go down the mountain, go find a spot where internet is working a little bit. And we have to stay in that spot to upload my reels in my social media accounts until it's done. Which means, Patan, or whoever it is who can come with me, needs to leave their home, their own family, and leave their own responsibilities just to come with me for a few hours every day. Our internet connection in the village is not that strong. It's not even strong enough to make video calls. Swerte na lang if it works sometimes. And as a full-time travel content creator, Wi-Fi or internet is one of my basic necessities. Without it, I'm dead. What's good in your village? No fast food.
Yeah.
Everything is healthy.
Hiragana sa rata siu kana. Lagi sa pera kina so. Noi mu pa ka shwan loda phola na. Aga shini.
Ba de gran ga ga.
Wato na shini. Pai mera mu loda phola na.
Iran kim da shi? Ya China. Thailand, Vietnam da hala kuri.
Na. Aga shi ya go ju dai kana.
Koi na. Adwa ko ni.
Wa. Ati dai.
Gal kul ma da mo di.
Na. Aga chamche kedri ko shini.
Kanta.
Wa. Lu chamche bara sara be kana. Dua zaya kana. Bas piyo bana bara nimu na chandi pa bana.
Kanta ha. Ita por koi.
Ora kamu dah beli kan? Untuk sana kamu putus na mari. Putus tu. Kamu just baru roda bantu beli kan?
Secondly, why do I speak Tagalog to all of them all the time? Simply because when I do my edits, I do cut it when they speak in their own language because it takes time for me to have someone translate it for me all the time. And in the software that I use, Pashto translation is not yet available. So in this video, I will share to you the full experience on how it feels like to be surrounded by people that don't speak your language at all. Just literally sitting and having dinner with them. The truth? Living in the village is not as fun as you think and not as easy as you see in my vlogs. After dinner, or once everyone is back in their own homes, gosh, the silence, it's deafening. Like, nakakabingi sa katahimikan. Like, I like a quiet surrounding, but still connected to the world, or if not, something that I can still at least be productive. Like still do my edits, but even the electricity supply here stops until who not know when. Sometimes short times and sometimes longer. And that would put my electronic gadgets at risk, so no. We tried to make it work before. Patan would come down with me sa bundok every day at 3 p.m. And we will stay down there till I'm finished. Sometimes till 7 p.m. or sometimes doon na kami magdi-dinner. Magluluto or anything. Just I can upload my reels. And we will not do that again. Especially na may bagong silang na anak si Patan. So ayun. There are more complications, but doable naman, but not for long. I hope this helps you understand kung bakit ang visit ko this time ay few days na lang. So eto, samahan nyo ako mag-dinner with them. Raw, authentic experience, minimal edits, almost no cuts. Medyo boring, but I hope that this will allow you to fully understand and see my POV. Kaya naman samahan nyo ako on the last episode of my village adventure. Let's go!
Bidang-bida
Ano,
naman
umur
si
tayo ka na mo bisila kung umar usda po sa sa do way kana ano umar aburo ikidisi da sar suri da sar ko khorak da para mate amira to ori khorak sizuno ori ko da me awla man e manan de ha ai dai kana e viso mo mo ya garu sare ni jito sport zi
Barabar ke sarin jatuh.
mo gadir na sa na wakta por eulo se duro por dukan ke ba
Kwentong patan.
Chama pa holan ta ha okay
Ada
fa
karena kencan
Sir, kung ikaw dito ba yung din mo sa pa yung tarang nga yung mo check pa pula.
Nada, kalau mau sih karena benar karena itu tahu pasti deh. Yo so siguro ko wala kana. Tayo khaswa sa khabar ko labas rura ba. Khara go chiwi.
Bebe ko.
Nasa ko ba si wado wi.
You make video but we are all
Because you're too much making story.
we are talking about you now. We are talking about you not
Sure?
no.
Tra ulo ka. Bix. Talk na.
We are saying tomorrow we will go to fishing.
Who?
The river. All of us and you.
No, I cannot. I have work. Si Patan.
Tomorrow.
Si Patan, kwentong barbero lang naman yan.
DJ came we sang that
Tell the story. What? Not the story about me.
This first month of 2020.
Ha?
January 2020. Before Corona.
Oh,
Remember you come to the first we meet there in the Al-Nakhda Dubai?
I not remember.
Remember
Tell me.
Backside the Karachi Darbar restaurant there, Al-Nakhda 2.
Oh, what
We are
happened?
living there.
What happened
What
there?
happened is,
Oh.
okay, then after that,
I not remember this. How you remember? You have good mind. I remember only one thing. I see something. That's it.
yeah, you see, I told you what you see. The video is start, right?
Huh?
The video is start, right?
Yeah, it's.
But it's not nice.
Gilid lang ako kasi pagod na ako makipag-usap everybody.
Dia baru nak. Waktu dah sabar dia.
Patan, look, he hurting me. I told you. He's hurting me. Sarali. I'm not hurting him, it is hurting me.
Terus kalau mira pada dia pas yoka kalau luar dia. Dia mau tak boleh macam mana Zaino di.
Patan, how long he not cut this?
Huh?
How long he's not cutting?
Tanam kita jama cerita ni gede kana kana. From when it grow up until now he didn't cut.
Why?
It's okay. It looks very nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
I have also like that, but my marriage now I'm already like I cut many times, so it's not coming straight like that. I like to, because before I was have like I think when
I never see you,
10, 11,
Ah.
12, I have a big long beard. If still keep it's good, but I cut, so I always trimming every week.
Hindi ko naman naiintindihan. Nasa gilid lang ako, everybody, kasi pagod na ako.
المهم بقى كبير لا كامل افتخار افتخار بدنا كداس نو
Nakikinig na lang ako sa kwentuhan nila. So, makinig na lang din kayo. Ganito yung feeling pag nandito kayo. Usapang patan. Bidang-bida si Patan. Si Patan niya naka-red na yan.
Ama to sone mama suno so jira ke kana. Rabu je to. Jira na mo dua jira re. Usu ay la paso ma sene jore.
Bumibida yung bebe ko. Bumibida.
Jira makran no kana.
في 15 سنة تاس فيديو ريال خسارة ده توصل بس هم ناقوش كنا رازي ده كيو ده تمر ساي بيرو كنا ده ربيبا ما بس يبدأ بيرو ما شاف ساي بيرو كنا إنه ده كنا تمر ساي بيستاكم ختم شيء بيسمى ما بيرو ده كنا أول ده بيرو ساي لك سبارة كوي زمان إلى
Tuwa sila sa kwento ni Patan, no?
إلهم دني وين زمان هسه فيلم ده دلتا انت كان لك صار جوتيوا نو او تانغي ولا شيء مش كده تزنو تانغي لك سرنا دي وقت بيسبتال كده
ها مخاطب تانغي ولا كان
يا سيدي بلا لخشن يدور ولا راغي هذا اللي كان تيرا بارسيا بيا يوميا شيء بس بيا خويا ليش تسأل بيرد بعدها كده
Cari, esa prendina que se la traba, esa prendina que tiene que se la va a tocar.
Kata English ma ini ken nato bata rahi bata hoy.
منصف خان استاذ نمو كان قبل سكول ترى كلاس ترى كان دز لا نقول سكول هي صورة يوي كان على ما نديرنا قابل أو سبوا كلك سالي خسارة سالي تو كذا كنا قابل أديو بيا هذا سنجي دز لا كان مقام باس اللي ما نخلط كذا نو ده سلا مختار بتشي لسبب يوريتا استمرار هرون يا ما كخولو Stai data valuna ta zo gadire que deu
La salijina mi hija no te quiero ni visto. Tú no lo dejas de dejar tú no lo dejas. No lo dejas de
What time electricity come back? What time electricity come back? 10. Yeah. This is this one. It will not connect.
Oh. Awak kalau Tari. Tari. Azam. الناس بتعرف عن بودري
So, kailan na tamil mana di? O lakay may sar kiri mayan program di.
Pagla, okay.
What you say?
What plan for tomorrow?
I go
For sure
to.
you will go?
I'm sure. Yeah, I have work.
Have plan for going for the fishing tomorrow.
No, I have work now. I'm sure
What
I
time you want to reach there?
before 1 p.m.
वास्तव याच्या करो लोक. बडगाता.
हाँ.
because I have work.
बडगाता. ओमा सर्वे राबी तो मजोल नंबर देखे ना.
ما وصلي جماعة ما خاموس سونونا وخالد.
दा सवाय. मुक्ति पार्टी शुगर भी आ
Sayang yung footage ko, mag-ilaw tayo. It's good. Sorry? Namano? Dito ka.
Let's have a seat.
Ay, English. Ay, wa. Kasama yan, sir. Sayang yung footage ko. Everybody, kailangan ko mag-ilaw. Marites ka na naman, Ali. Kahit di ko naiintindihan, alam ko ako yung pinag-uusapan dyan. Naaway ko talaga si Ali. Ito lang kasi pwede kong awayin dito eh. Bidang-bida siya sa kwento niya.
swimming pool.
Pagal mo sa... Tingting ka pa sa akin dyan, bebe ko. Magkaaway kasi kami. Bango ng Bix, no? Pag tumatanda ka na talaga, ito na yung mga gusto mo. Ano? English, what?
English kasi pwede. Tapos meron pa tinatawag. English kasi no, he is married.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. He's married now. And you when?
No, single.
When you will get married?
After
Ha? Kalas. You get married? I know. I know, Patan sent me.
So ayun everybody, so this is how it feels like to be sitting with patans, and this could go on for like hours. So sometimes after dinner 8 p.m. magdadatingan yung mga guests around 9 p.m. at magkakwentuhan sila until 12 midnight, and max na yan until 1 a.m. Until magsabi ako na matutulog na minsan and it's time for you guys to go home. Pero kasi minsan ko lang silang makakasama. Kaya talagang hinahayaan ko lang sila magkwentuhan hanggang gusto nila. Kasi natutuwa rin ako kapag naghaharutan sila, nagtatawanan. Hindi ko naman talaga naiintindihan actually. And eto talaga yung gabi-gabing case ko dito. Parang every night yan, iba't ibang bisita, pero sila mosa. Tapos yung ibang nakikita nyo dyan, talagang sila yung every night. Talagang hindi pwedeng hindi yan pupunta dito. Tapos minsan si Ali, may mga kasamang barkada, mga gwapo, mga hindi ko pa nakikita. Siyempre, super entertain tayo. Alok ng chai, ng biscuit, at nagkukwentong pagong din tayo. Kasi naman girl, kung sila yung mga makakasama mo, ay hanggang kahit 5 a.m. tayo, kahit lumawa yung mata ko, kahit mapuyat tayo, dead ma lang, charis lang. Actually talagang hanggang 1 a.m. lang yung kaya ko, so matik na yan. Kapag nakita nilang pumupwesto na ako at pumipikit-pikit na ako, eh unti-unti na yung nagpapaalam. At kung inaakala nyong ikakat ko tong video na to, pues hindi. Samahan nyo akong maguluhan at makinig sa usapan nila. Hindi naman talaga nating lahat na iintindihan. Wala lang, para lang ma-feel nyo yung talagang kung anong nararamdaman ko kapag nandito ako. Uupo lang talaga ako for 3 hours makikinig, manonood sa kanila. Wala naman kasing internet din.
This is too much.
Ah! No. Talking na eh. Tispagan na. You are married now, ah. Hoy, alam niyo ba si Sheikh Mosa, ngayon lang pala ito kanasal? You?
Music and free and free.
Music?
MP3.
No.
Bluetooth.
Ali.
Yeah.
Ask Ali. Ali, you don't want, right? You don't like? You don't like the music? You like or no? You don't like? You like or no? Huh?
Yes, I
Before you said no. Huh? The Ali? Oh. Gift na eh. You already married, you have wife. That's your gift. Halas wife. Ano, mas pili mo pa yung earbuds kaysa sa asawa? Massage. Si Mosa, naloloko mo na naman ako. Oh. Ano kailangan kayo? You want Filipino what? Tutugtugan daw sa... Saan na si Patano? This. Hey! Haram. Haram? Asan na si Mokyan? Barish? What's this? You married na? Ah, married. They like tension. Tension. Ah, married tension. Everybody, that's gonna be it. I hope that you enjoyed watching. You like Si Mosa gusto niya talaga asawa ng Pilipina. Lagi niya sinasabi. You like Philippine wife? You Philippine wife? Ha? Philippine wife? Gusto niya talaga ng Philippine wife. Ayun. Matagal niya na sinasabi sa side. I will look for it. Second wife? Second wife? One enough. One enough. Aray, Mosa naman talaga. Alam mo, ito si Mosa. Ali. This me? It's me! Patingin nga. What are you doing? Who is this? This one. My sister. Ano ba? Like minute na. Where you? Kasi ito napaano mo pa yun, nag-aaway, nagagalit tuloy.
Jadi mungkin terakhir gitu, mas naya kan terakhir.
Bas na. Magagalitin siya sa akin, di ba? Ha? Naka-camera ka. Ulo ka, nagpipilyo. Ang arte mo talaga. Ay, si Mosa, malinis yan. Kumaligo yata yan 3 times a day. Lambi, 13 times. Always yan. As a clean boy yan. Ha? Speak to video? Lambi twice? O sabihin ko daw 2 times siyang naliligo. Naiintindihan ko sila, di ba? Tingnan mo camera. Nag-video ka pa. Wow. Yes, baby. Why are you fighting me? Tell me now, why are you fighting me? Why are you fighting me? Show me. Now? 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 Wi-Fi na eh.
Masa, itu pertama
सर हो गया बारे में सब
When? When? Me? Today. When? I don't know. Last time.
Ulamba.
Huh?
Ulamba.
What?
You shower. Ulamba.
Wi-Fi na. Wi-Fi na eh. Wi-Fi na eh. How I show you? Ay.
What is your time? Time.
9:51. I give you a minute. Okay, now I see. Bas, ano naman? Where do you go?
Hello everybody, so that is gonna be it. I hope that you were able to enjoy this vlog. Personally, medyo na-boring ako sa vlog. Pero kasi sobrang dami nag-request sa akin na gumawa ng simpleng vlog like this, yung uupo lang ako with them, yung tipong talagang nakikipag-usap lang ako sa kanila kahit wala na daw akong ginagawa, basta lang daw naka-record. So ayan, pinagbigyan naman natin. Kaso ang ending, eto dumating si bebe ko at walang ginawa kundi pag-aawayin ako. Grabe talaga siya, Day. Kinumpronta ako ng kung ano-ano. Pero to be honest, may point din naman siya. Ang dami niya sa aking tanong na wala talaga akong sagot. So, hindi na natin to patatagalin. So, sa mga nag-request dyan to make this kind of vlog, please comment down below. Sana napasaya ko kayo. Sana naibigay ko ang gusto nyo. Ang ending, na-stress ako sa bebe ko. At syempre, bago matapos ang vlog, huwag tayong papaawat. Total, nasimulan naman na ang pag-aaway. Humabol pa tayo ng isang konfrontasyon with my bebe ko. Kakaloka kayo.
Too much fighting. No, but you fight too much. I don't like. You are different.
Abel, sal na tara.
Mش fighting me.
دیگه اسپی قیمت بکنم در 500,000 درهم نکم میشه. فقط زرا، اون زرا، تزرا.
تو Itu dari kamu orang.
All this picture, you don't have full memory. Everyone wants ID this. What's that?